Okay, I think people are starting to come in now, so hopefully you've got something to drink, something to eat, you're comfortable. So yeah, how are you doing, Aris?
Very good. Yeah, very good. Let's get started.
Okay, so welcome and thank you all for joining us for this year's Totara Awards. Today we're going to be celebrating the many diverse and incredible projects of our Totara partners and customers. So I'm Matt Lineker, I'm the Customer Success Manager at Totara Learning, and I'm joined by my colleague Aris.
Hey, Matt. Hi, everyone. I'm the International Marketing Manager here at Totara. Thank you to everyone who has joined us today, and thank you to everyone who has submitted a case study for the 2020 Totara Awards.
So yeah, firstly, a happy new year to everyone. We know that these continue to be quite challenging times for some of our customers, but we're delighted that Totara has made such a measurable difference for so many of you when it comes to adapting at speed. So 2020 was an incredibly challenging year for many organizations and people throughout the world. And the way organizations use their LMS changed, with people having to adapt quickly and introduce new elements to their system, such as focusing more on remote working and social learning. Those changes have been reflected in many of the case studies that we've seen entered for the 2020 Totara Awards.
We were very pleased to have had Laurie Nels Hoffman support the judging process again this year. Laurie is, for those of you who don't know, a senior learning strategist with over 20 years of L&D experience, and she was the keynote at our Totara user conference a couple of years ago. If you have any questions about the awards at all or the judging process, whatever it is, please don't hesitate to contact us and email marketing@totaralearning.com.
Just a quick note to say that we are recording this webinar, so you can share it with your colleagues if they miss it. Actually, it's a good point. Are we recording this webinar?
You are. I can see it, Matt. You're recording.
Okay, that's good. So we're recording the webinar, so you can share it with your colleagues afterwards if they like. If you've missed the deadline for this year, you can always submit a case study and you'll automatically be entered into the awards for 2021.
You can see all of our case studies online on our website, and a press release will go out after this webinar to highlight the winners. If you've won, you'll be given a PR kit and your very own award made out of real Totara wood, shipped all the way from New Zealand.
Great. So just a quick plug for the Totara community before we start. If you're not a member, then do join the community. We run many webinars, including product demonstrations, customer stories, and best practice tips and tricks. You can also access the Totara Academy, where you can learn all about your Totara products and upskill. So you can also invite your colleagues too, if they don't already know about the community. So 2020 was a huge year for Totara, as we released the Totara Talent Experience platform. The Totara Talent Experience platform is an integrated suite that combines enhanced learning capabilities with a new learning experience platform, or LXP, Totara Engage, and a new performance management system, Totara Perform.
You can learn more about the Talent Experience platform on our website and in the community if you haven't heard of it already. But yeah, let's go to the main event. The Totara Awards celebrate our top partners and customers each year, highlighting their collaborative spirit and impressive contribution to the open source learning tech industry. We recognize achievements across 11 industry categories, plus 4 partner-specific awards.
So today we'll be awarding projects in the following categories. Totara Learn is used globally by over 16 million users, so we recognize organizations in a range of industries.
Of course, our customers work with a dedicated Totara partner who help to create your Totara sites and bring your projects to life. We will start by going through all of our customer awards and then move on to the partner-specific awards. The first customer award is for the best business services project. This award goes to Deloitte Accountancy. Totara partner Deloitte Belgium created a Totara Learn solution called The Client. This learning management system supports Deloitte's accounting experts with new digitalization skills to help them provide a better service for their clients. This story-driven Netflix-inspired learning program follows 2 fictional CEOs and as they navigate their working relationship with Deloitte Accountancy. Each episode blends education and entertainment to maximize engagement. This project was selected as the winner on account of its creative solution and stellar results proving that the LMS is successfully supporting Deloitte Accountancy as it adapts to an increasingly digital world. The initial client fit program has already reached an 87% completion rate, with learner ratings reaching an impressive 8.6 out of 10. Deloitte Belgium's implementation experience includes integrations with other HR applications, inspiring UX designs, learning analytics, e-commerce functionalities, and much more. So congratulations.
Yeah, massive congratulations there. So the next award is for the Best Education and Training Services project. So for 2020, this award goes to Be Ready for their project with the Scipio. So Be Ready needed an interactive learning platform to equip children leaving school with the soft skills needed to succeed in their future careers, with a remote curriculum created by secondary school teachers for secondary school teachers. Be Ready's project was chosen as the winning entry because of its impressive scale, delivering learning to over 200,000 users, its rapid development with just a 6-week turnaround, and its extensive use of Totara Learn's multi-tenancy, offering unique branding for almost 4,000 schools. Working with the Scipio, with their expertise in large-scale, fully customized LMS projects, has enabled Be Ready to develop a number of interactive plugins to meet the needs of schools, teachers, and students. Dynamic learning pathways and dashboards change based on the user for a personalized learning experience, and a zero cost per user for schools, making this a highly attractive learning program. So massive congratulations to both Be Ready and Scipio for the award.
The next award is for the Best Finance and Insurance project. For this category, we had lots of really brilliant case studies. So we'd like to highly commend Glow Chile and Santander for their excellent project. It was a very close call. However, the winner for the Best Finance and Insurance project for 2020 is Western Union. Western Union worked with Synergy Learning to create their large-scale learning management system. The LMS was required to train 500,000 agents around the world at the same time, and the platform needed to offer learning in the 50 languages spoken by the team. Western Union is able to push new learning to 500,000 learners simultaneously, meaning they save time and money on training, as well as mitigating the risk of non-compliance. 95% of agents use the single sign-on functionality put in place to ensure easier LMS access, which in turn helps agents provide better customer service around the world. This was chosen as the winning project in its category because of the project's extensive scale and reach, along with custom coding to enable integrations and better control over HR imports. Synergy Learning also made excellent use of Totara's language packs to localize the LMS for global learners, further reducing barriers to learning. Congratulations.
Corey, congratulations. So moving on to the next award, this is for the Best Government Project. I would say that if you work for a government organization, then you should also join our government sector space in the community. There's lots of really helpful people sharing resources and ideas in there. So if you're not already involved, do go and join that space in the community. But for 2020, the winner for the project goes to Nottinghamshire Fire and Rescue Service. So Nottinghamshire Fire and Rescue Service worked with Total Alliance partner Synergy Learning to increase engagement and attract firefighters to the learning management system rather than forcing them to undertake training. This project was chosen as the winner in the Best Government category because of the excellent results Nottinghamshire Fire and Rescue Service has achieved with this Total Learn solution. They've reached 100% course completion for critical safety training, and the time savings achieved with the LMS has added an additional 100 days to frontline services a year due to less time needed for training. Synergy Learning delivered the new LMS in just 6 weeks, helping them meet their deadline for the new breathing apparatus training. They also reduced the steps needed to access e-learning modules, making it quicker and easier for firefighters to find learning they needed on any device. So a really worthy winner there. So congratulations to both Nottingham Fire Service and to Synergy, a really great project.
Now we come to the Best Healthcare project. This has been an incredibly challenging year for many organizations working tirelessly to deal with the outbreak of COVID-19. Totara supports healthcare organizations all over the world, and we also have a dedicated space on the Totara community for healthcare professionals. We had lots of great case studies coming through. A special mention to Elysium Healthcare for their great story. However, the winner for the Best Healthcare Project for 2020 is Instituto Superiore di Sanità. The Italian National Institute of Health worked with Media Touch to launch their new Totara Learn platform at speed to respond to COVID-19, the pandemic. This project was chosen as the winner because of the staggering speed at which they upscaled their LMS to deliver an expanded learning offering for COVID-19. They increased the scale of their learning program from 40,000 to 450,000 in just 1 month to launch the first distance learning course to train Italian healthcare professionals in response to the pandemic. The number of participants was more than double than the expected number. MediaTouch and Istituto Superiore di Sanità made full use of Totara Learn's features, including the announcements forum for COVID-19 updates, the RSS feed block for easy access to Twitter updates from government bodies, the quiz tool for entrance tests, post-tests, and final tests, and the certificate tool. A massive congratulations to you, and thank you for all the work you do.
So yes, a huge thank you to every other health organization helping us through the pandemic. So the next award is for another industry that's faced a very difficult time in 2020. That's for the Best Hospitality and Travel Project. Despite the difficulties the hospitality and travel industry faced in 2020, we still received some incredible case studies. So the winner for 2020 goes to Sharjah Commerce and Tourist Development Authority. So the SCTDA worked with Totara partner Human Logic to help integrate Totara Learn with their legacy system. They also needed a user-friendly way to bring online learning to an audience used to traditional face-to-face methods, and a way to introduce on-demand licensing to reduce waiting times for practical assessments and licensing. This learning management system was chosen as the winning project in the Best Hospitality and Travel Project category because of its efficient integration between Totara Learn and the legacy system, which has saved a lot of money on operating costs and trainers' time. It's also a stellar example of an extended enterprise LMS aimed at both employees and external learners. The LMS has helped SCTDA achieve 100% course completion rates in many modules, despite being launched at the start of the COVID-19 global pandemic, demonstrating the way Totara Learn empowered SCTDA to adapt at speed to a rapidly changing situation. So massive congratulations to you.
The next award is for the Best Manufacturing Project. Again, this was a very highly competitive category, but with that in mind, we'd like to highly commend Watts, who are a leader in water technology products. In collaboration with Kineo, Watts used the plug-in MoTrain to create a gamified experience for their learners. However, the winner for the 2020 Best Manufacturing Project goes to eTex. eTex Building Performance produces and sells world-leading plasterboards as a B2B business. They initially worked with Totara partner Chambery Learning Solutions to start from scratch with a learning management system to replace their basic spreadsheet-based learning records. However, in 2020, COVID-19 and the UK's national lockdown meant that eTex needed to keep 500 furloughed employees engaged, informed, and reassured about pandemic developments, as well as equipping them with the skills to learn offsite throughout the lockdown. This was chosen as the winning manufacturing project because of the speed at which eTex Building Performance adapted to challenging circumstances. The Learning Hub was rebranded as the Learning and Communication Hub, and the content was updated in a matter of days to include resources such as CEO updates, well-being content, quizzes, and a chat facility to enable employees to stay in touch at a difficult time. The LMS saw a staggering 284% increase in usage over the pandemic as staff sought ways to stay informed and connected. The standard LMS use case makes use of certifications, programs, and audiences within Totara Learn to assist the small learning team in managing data and users as easily as possible. The LMS also integrates with Office 365 for single sign-on, helping to reduce barriers to learning for a workforce with relatively low IT literacy. Congratulations to eTex.
Yeah, congratulations to eTex. And Genevieve Tofield, the Learning and Development Manager at eTex, will be talking about their case study in a webinar in the Totara community on the 17th of February. So do sign up for that one if you'd like to hear more about their story. So let's move on to the next category, which is for the best non-profit sector. So we had some incredible projects for this, including Save the Children UK. However, the winner for this year's award goes to NADA Austria. The National Anti-Doping Agency Austria worked with Totara Alliance partner LearnChamp to expand and digitalize its learning offering. They needed a learning management system to reach their extended enterprise, comprising customers, partners, and internal employees. Totara Learn was chosen as the perfect adaptable LMS to meet their needs. This was chosen as the winning non-profit project because the LMS has completely transformed NADA's approach to learning. For the first time, athletes have control over what they learn on a single search-driven platform. This saves time for athletes who no longer have to consolidate information from multiple sites, helping to improve compliance in the long run. Course catalogs, seminar management, and tailor-made courses address multiple complex audiences, ensuring all users receive a personalized learning experience. Gamification elements, such as badges, also tap into athletes' competitive natures and maintain high motivation levels. So massive congratulations to NADA and to LearnChamp.
Okay, we have 3 customer awards left to give out. The next award is for the best retail project. We'd like to formally highly commend Holland and Barrett for their great project, which was carried out with the Helpkin Group in the UK. This project has boosted enormous savings for the organization and was implemented in a very short amount of time. However, for 2020, the winner of the best retail project is Kmart. Kmart is one of the largest and most successful retailers across Australia and New Zealand. Kmart's LMS, called Kmart Way, created with Totara partner Catalyst IT, supports more than 8,000 new retail employees each year with a customized blend of induction training, along with thousands more current employees. Making learning available on store portable data terminals has substantially reduced store managers' time spent onboarding new team members, leading to productivity savings of over 1 million Australian dollars per year. The average learner rating is 4.6 out of 5, demonstrating that the learning is not just working effectively, but is also well received by new starters and existing employees alike. Kmart Way prioritizes scalability and flexibility, making it easy to add to customized learner pathways by showcasing different learning through highly visual tiles and slideshow galleries. This has given Kmart's employees the freedom to choose learning to support their own development and interest areas. These pathways have helped keep team members focused and not feeling overwhelmed by the range of learning on offer.
So massive congratulations to both Kmart and Catalyst for their award. Okay, so moving on to the next category. This is for the best sport and lifestyle project. I hope everyone's managing to stay fit and healthy in lockdown. I know it can be difficult to get out, but I hope everyone's staying fit and healthy. So the winner for the best sports and lifestyle project in 2020 goes to the Australian Football League Coaches Association. So the AFL Coaches Association worked with Totara Alliance partner Andrew Godzic to create a learning management system that would help them support the mental well-being of their sporting communities. The Tackle Your Feelings project is a mental health training program for community AFL clubs and coaches. So this was chosen as the winning sport and lifestyle project because of the impressive scale of the LMS, which can support over 60,000 users. AFL Coaches Association's LMS also integrates with the Australian Football League's Totara Learn solution, ensuring the seamless flow of data across and between organizations. This LMS automates the learning process and makes use of plugins for more efficient learning management, and is now being rolled out nationwide to improve mental health support for community football clubs, coaches, children, and their families. Tackle Your Feelings was created in collaboration with psychologists, professional coaches, and learning designers, making this a real team effort. The program was designed as a blended program comprising face-to-face sessions and online learning, but the adaptability of Totara Learn made it straightforward to pivot to online-only learning as the COVID-19 pandemic took hold in Australia. With Totara Learn, AFL Coaches Association has the freedom to move back to the original blended learning plans when it's safe to do so. So massive congratulations on your award, and what a really worthwhile and worthy project.
Okay, so we're now at our final customer award for 2020. The final category is for the best technology and media project. And without further ado, the winner is Glovo. Glovo is a Spanish on-demand courier service that purchases, picks up, and delivers products ordered through its mobile app. Glovo worked with Totara partner Actua Solutions to upskilling a growing global workforce of over 3,400 service agents located across 15 different call centers with a new learning management system. This was chosen as the winning technology and media project because it's an excellent example of a localized approach to support a diverse global workforce. Working with Actua Solutions, Glovo was able to create over 800 courses in just 2 months with impressive 4.5 out of 5 user satisfaction ratings. The LMS supports 9 languages to onboard and develop employees in their own language, lowering the barriers to learning. The focus on measuring the effectiveness of each course and collecting actionable feedback is also proving highly successful as a way to constantly improve the system. The LMS makes use of Totara Learn's audiences and hierarchy features to manage the diverse audience easily across teams and locations. Glovo now has the ability to create and deliver technical and soft skills training using personalized images, descriptions, and course durations to ensure a tailored learning experience for agents around the world. Despite launching amid the COVID-19 pandemic, the LMS launched in a record time, along with achieving record-breaking results for Glovo. A big congratulations to both Glovo and Actua Solutions.
Yeah, another massive congratulations there, really great project. So congratulations to all of our customers and partners who've won an award and been highly commended today. And congratulations to everyone else doing great work with Totara.
Now let's move on to the partner-specific awards, which includes the Top Seller and the Global Partner of the Year awards. The next set of awards are for the top-selling Totara partners in Asia-Pacific, EMEA, and the Americas. The Top Asia-Pacific Award for 2020 is for Andrew Gojic. Congratulations to Andrew Gojic. Well deserved.
I think we should do a drum roll for this one.
Yeah. There you go.
That was good. That was like as most high tech as we're getting, I think. Okay, so the next top seller is for the EMEA region. So for 2020, the top seller award goes to, we have that drum roll now. So Think Learning. Congratulations to Think. Think Learning is based in the UK and supports a large range of healthcare and governmental organisations, amongst others. So a really massive well done on your award, and here's to more success in 2021.
Okay, moving on to the top seller in the Americas region. The top seller in the Americas for 2020 goes to Kineo US. Congratulations to Kineo for your hard work and success in 2020. And finally, we move on to the Global Partner of the Year award. This award recognizes achievements and activities such as sales success, product collaboration, software maintenance, marketing and events activities, and knowledge sharing within the Totara community and the wider industry. For 2020, the winner of the Global Partner of the Year award goes to Catalyst. We would like to thank Catalyst for their hard work along with their dedication to upholding best practice software maintenance. Congratulations.
Yeah, massive congratulations to Catalyst. And it's always great to see you in the community helping us with our academy courses as well. So yeah, great. Thanks so much to Catalyst, and we look forward to seeing more work from you this year. So that brings us to the end of this awards webinar. We'll be sharing the news on our website within our PR networks and social channels. So stay tuned for more info on the awards. We hope you enjoyed it, and thank you to everyone who's taken part, and a massive congratulations to everyone who's won an award today. But also a big congratulations to everyone for persevering through 2020, and for me for getting through that sentence. So here's to a better year this year.
Congratulations, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
If anyone has any questions, feel free to throw them in. Otherwise, we'll finish there. And thanks a lot. Okay, thanks everyone. And we'll finish there for today.
Perfect. Thank you, Matt. Bye.